guys, you're here for update 1 on Windstorm Frank. So it's as of 1500 UTC on December 29th, 2015. Storm's located at 49.9 degrees north, 25.1 degrees west. Winds are 85 miles per hour, air pressure 959 millibars. Storm's located just off the coast now. This update actually was issued at 600 UTC this morning. We haven't got a new one in yet, and we do not expect to until 1800. Well, although at the moment I can say is that I really do feel sorry for the people in the north, up in like Cumbria and Lancashire, recovering from before Christmas and after Christmas as well with the floods. And I'll just say, if any of you are watching from Cumbria or from Lancashire, or well, the northern parts affected by floods, my thoughts are with you guys, and I hope everything turns out okay for you. Personally, I haven't felt them myself, because I'm in the south.